yeah, I have a special secret unboxing for you. So yeah, let me here, just use this back here. Oh no, here, I'm gonna rip the top instead of using a knife. Because so that's it. So here it is. And open this. Sweet. The Ebony Havoc fingerboard deck. There's the kicks. Pop's amazing. Tape feels different, but good. I am like, compared to a Berlin wood, it might be a little hard to get used to. It's a lot different shape, and yeah.